Hello. Before you get to your regularly scheduled chainsaw, sorry, it's a hard word for me. We just want to say thank you for 500 subs. Yes, the 500. Not a big number in some people's eyes, but we haven't even been doing this for a year. We've already hit 500, so it is a good feeling.
Our last milestone was 100.
Yeah.
Probably a couple months ago.
Yeah.
Now we're at 500.
Did we do a 350? I think we did. No, maybe not. You're right, we did.
It's probably thank you.
Yeah, it was. So yeah, I think it's been fun. It's good. I'm glad that it's brought me to be able to watch Bleach, Code Geass, ReZero, everything we've watched.
Oh, they've all been good.
Yeah,
all
so
these great anime.
I probably wouldn't have gotten to them as quick as I did if we weren't doing this. So I'm like, or committed to them. So I'm glad. So thank y'all for enjoying. We always see the comments on Bleach, on My Hero, the ReZero. Full Metal,
chainsawman,
everything. We see all the comments. Y'all know we respond to the comments. Like I said, we appreciate the support.
Always.
We're trying to make everything better for y'all. We want to just make sure y'all enjoy us watching stuff. Because I guess, we also have some of the other videos, like some of the vlogs. We hope y'all enjoy some of the gaming stuff.
Those haven't been out recently.
But we're in the works for it. We're trying to really push back, to get to Bleach. To finish Bleach.
Because Bleach took up a lot. It takes up a lot of our time for catching up. Because we had X amount of videos to catch up with. Now we're around 20 something, and we'll be caught up by the next Chainsaw Man video. Yeah. We'll be caught up. So that's why we've been putting a hold on the other videos just so we can focus on that. And once we are caught up, we'll have more time to do other videos. So.
Yeah. So, just to get to the meat of it real quick, we don't want to keep y'all too long. That was real quick, thank you. We are doing a giveaway. We're big pop figure guys. We collect pops. So we have these in front of us that we want to do for a giveaway. Now, we're going to do 3 winners. And there's there's 3 ways to enter. So you'll get 3 entries. And it'll be to sub and comment on this video will be 1 entry. And then also for our My Hero video, we're going to post this Saturday. Comment on that video, that'll be a 2nd entry. And then we will link our Instagram down in the description to follow and comment on the post we leave there, the giveaway post we put on there.
Our first post.
Oh yeah,
our very first post on the page.
And that'll be a 3rd entry. So that'll be your 3 ways to enter. There'll be 3 winners, and you'll get to choose out of these 3. Oh, 6. Yeah.
So we got 6. The Levi. Everybody loves Levi. If you watch AOT, which I'm pretty sure it's pretty big.
That's a clean one.
Then you got that Goku.
UI Goku, the walking. That's the iconic. That's iconic.
Actually, a shared sticker for the New York Comic Con that just happened. And you have an Ichigo.
For the Bleach fans.
The
Bankai Ichigo.
Common Bankai. AAA exclusive.
Yeah. We got the SDCC Gran Torino for those My Hero fans.
Really detailed pop with the little air
coming around him. Gran Torino, if you saw the last My Hero episode, he was kind of putting in work.
Yeah.
Obviously, the one and only Madara Uchiha. So this is his reanimated one. This one's a really nice one. We like that one, and then this one's really good. Obviously, JJ second one of the 2 JJ K-pops at the moment. So 3. 2, yeah. Just 2 Itadori's. So this one's good. So
shared exclusive with the San Diego Comic Con.
Yeah.
If you're pop people, you know what these are.
If you're not, these are all just cool things to have. If you're an anime fan. Like we said again, there'll be a week. So a week from now, this week going up on Tuesday. So we will post the winners. I would say we'll post the winners
next Tuesday.
Yeah, next Tuesday. So just be looking out for that, and we'll get in contact and everything. Like we said, 3 entries. Sub, comment on this video, comment on the My Hero video, and follow on Instagram and comment on our first Instagram post. First ever Instagram post.
We really do appreciate the support, like always. We would probably do first winner, second winner, third winner. First winner gets first pick, and then how it goes down like that.
So, like I said,
hopefully you win.
That was enough talking. Like I said, this Chainsaw Man episode is good. We already watched it. You're about to see us watch it. So
what? We'll see then.
This is good. You should get to it.
What's up, guys? It's TF Reacts with a special guest. That's it. That's all he gets.
It is Miles.
Miles Bonsignore.
Also known as Kiori.
Or Miles.
Kiori. Or Kai.
If- if-
Or
yeah,
Kai,
the ReZero man.
If you watch our ReZero videos, this is the guy we talk about
Or-
like every episode.
Name
Or
drop, name drop.
Wrecking Ball.
Wrecking Ball pictures.
Viper, if you will. He has many names.
If you tuned into Isaac streams, you know him.
Or Mandarin. Fucking orange.
Orange.
Should be reference. Yeah, otherwise.
He's the ReZero guy.
Yeah. But we're here, Chainsaw Man, Season 1, Episode 4. Doesn't say the episode name, but what'd you say it was?
Rescue.
Rescue.
Episode
So?
3 was mid.
Episode 3 was okay.
What happened?
It was
bad
definitely
episode.
okay. I said
he loves Chainsaw Man, by the way.
He's a fiend for Chainsaw Man.
He
but-
says it's better than JJK.
I don't. The manga's better than the JJK manga, but anime-wise, it's gonna be hard to beat JJK.
Yo, yesterday was Shibuya Day. Oh man.
Oh yeah, well,
No.
to like next season, I'm pretty sure JJK will be better because the best arcs are the
That's
arcs
what they're
that are
saying about
animated
My
yet.
Hero this season. It's all the same.
Because it is the best season. No one's paying attention to it for some reason though, because people are stupid. They like the mid arcs.
Oh, shit.
He'll also probably be here for our My Hero episode reaction.
Yes.
You already caught up?
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm here
No
for this arc.
life.
This arc's actually really good. Like, it's
Yeah.
peak shonen.
Tell me
Uh,
about it.
Last time, like you said, last episode we enjoyed, but it definitely wasn't better than episode 1 or 2 in our opinion.
That's true.
The
uh,
Bronze attack.
So
I mean, he literally had power taken away from him after the Bat Devil literally was like, yeah, I fooled you. Eat the cat.
Eat
Swallow it.
That was a turn. She was like.
I don't know how you feel, Dingy.
That was like. Was
That's
that before or
character
after the
development
flashback?
in one
It was.
scene.
You gotta eat it and then she flashback, right?
Yes.
He's
So now I know how you feel. You can't pet. Basically, your animal anymore. Your
And then she
buddy.
got swallowed.
Your companion.
RB
Yeah.
power.
I always say this every episode, but I know like this episode again, like
It's supposed to be really good.
no, because I actually don't know. But I was saying there's a
Me
pretty like notable one of the animators on it is like really notable and like what he does. I can't remember what his name is or what else he worked on, but I saw some of his scenes and so apparently I'm sure there'll be a fight this episode and it's gonna be like apparently it's supposed to be pretty crazy because of like that guy's like track record is like insane. So I'm excited for that.
Expectation. Anybody think
also,
they know what's gonna happen?
I assume Power's not dead,
you do.
but last time we saw Power, she was eaten. So I wonder. I'm pretty sure she'll be
Can
fine.
I
Let's
do?
go
Can I,
power.
can I do one thing?
No.
No spoilers.
Yeah.
Can I do the symbol?
No.
No. Our viewers need to be surprised. No, I'm joking.
Most of the people watching this are people who've already watched it. So
It's fun.
We will see.
We love wolves. Hey, listen, Fox, listen something. Kindergarten teachers know it.
I'm not a
I'm going
kindergarten
to the
teacher,
bathroom.
so I don't know.
I said we get right into it.
This is horrible. All right.
Season 1, Episode 4, Rescue.
5-minute intro. We love it.
Wah, wah, wah. Hey, it wasn't on 0-0.
Oh, Zenitsu. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Not Zenitsu.
Yo, she's eating snails. Hey.
That's me with Makima for real.
That's me.
I wonder if like.
Trinket, no.
Well, she's not going after like.
Yeah.
I think I broke my pinky.
Was it supposed to be only human blood, or I guess can it be any blood?
Any blood.
She dressed up as a bear for Halloween.
That boy got chonky.
It's the sea. It's the sea.
命は平等に
What?
たかが猫じゃじゃあなぜ走るなぜ人間を探す
Because you loved her.
にゃんこを助ける
She's
ため
married, guys.
Ooh, ugh.
Nice.
Oh, reunited. Yuta Maki vibes?
Inside the stomach.
I shall give you my devil powers, cat.
Oh,
Is he gonna get to touch? Is he gonna get to fondle some boobs now?
Mission accomplished.
マを殺そうとしたの
That's a lot of guts everywhere.
Pretty big man.
Mission.
You promise.
バカみたいな理由じゃな
This is his dream.
Once he does this, the anime is over.
Every 2 episodes, new dream. Oh, what the?
Oh my gosh.
The arm.
Is it gonna recharge?
It's turned into a hentai.
This is another thing.
Oh, what the fuck are those?
The worm devil.
Well, I don't know. It had
The Alaskan bull worm.
The
devil.
Alaskan
It had what udders?
udders.
Yeah, it had some weird udders.
I guess. If this is gonna be the fight.
Worm milk.
What are your thoughts on this intro, Miles?
Huh?
What are your thoughts on the intro?
Like top tier song.
You think it matches
Top-
the anime? You've read it, so do you think it matches the anime?
I mean, yeah, it's chaotic and stuff. I was expecting them to do like a metal intro because it has like a metal vibe to it. That's what they did with the third ending. But like, I feel like even if it isn't metal, if it's all over the place, it works because that's kind of Chainsaw Man.
agree
Just
with that.
random, all over the place.
I think this song is top tier. This song is on my playlist.
No, I'm
This song is
I
actually-
didn't know that.
This song is good. It's probably one of my favorite openings of the year.
I think my favorite part of it is. Am I allowed to say
When
his
it-
name?
When it goes right here?
Denji.
No, it's one of the last frames. Am I allowed to say his name?
No.
The
If it
weird
hasn't been
dancing
shown,
The
devil.
dude going like
Sure
this
is
at the
no.
end.
The weird dancing devil.
Yeah, that's my favorite little like frame. That and this. This looks fucking cool.
Power Rangers.
Oh.
No,
Out of gas.
Can't spam it. You need more blood, maybe?
血が足りないのか
やっと見つけたのに。あんたでしょ
Someone's gonna have to pull out.
私の男だったのに。
My
What
man.
the?
Ugh.
あら、よく見ると可愛い顔。好みの顔してるから逃がしてあげる。
後ろのやつらは
Catch some stuff.
殺
What's going on?
す。
Well, that's not gonna
There
fly
are
with
others.
Denji. Those are his boobs.
He literally had his dream right there.
死にな。
Oh,
Oh, snap.
dang. He's mobile? He's mobile like that?
Yo, his dexterity's at least 18.
Oh,
Oh, no.
Oh,
Hey, that
really?
constitution.
strongest devil he's fought.
I mean, he has a little bit of like.
I mean, I don't even think he's gonna fight unless he can like get blood somehow.
Do something.
Oh.
Locked.
戦い
Damn.
Need a fucking chainsaw.
Are these just regular punches or are they like power?
Well, I think he's powered up a little just because like the little chainsaw.
He's also a devil, or devil.
Okay.
こんな子犬ちゃんにコウモリは殺されちゃったの。
Little pooper.
お前が全員本気なんだ
The power
Hey.
of friendship.
This is some of the first like flashback power ups.
No way he wins this without someone.
Oh,
my
he used
God.
it.
Headbutting.
Ugh, all those intestines on the floor.
Cut off her udders. Cut them off.
俺にやること見下しやがってよ復讐だの家族守りたいだの猫救うだのああだのこうだのみんな偉い夢持ってていいなじゃあ夢バトルしようぜ夢バトル俺がてめえのぶっ殺したらよてめえの夢
Hey, that's actually kind of hard. I ain't
Yeah,
gonna
that was-
lie.
crazy.
Ooh.
Must be slippery as hell.
Yeah, bro, this is intestines.
No way he's getting active like this,
Bro,
bro.
this guy's crazy.
Bro, that reminded me of the JJK fight with Hanami.
Bro, he's
It does.
studying.
It did.
I was gonna say something.
It might be the same.
The way he's like running on the ground.
Yeah.
Using
Oh.
the intensity. Damn.
Benji's smart.
We love Levi.
That'd smart and
Oh!
Damn.
Durability.
Hey, let him up, let him up.
For real.
Oh, shit!
Benji is like.
That's insane.
Where's public safety?
They vibing.
This is public safety.
Let's see, like, yeah, they
And
got
where's
it.
all the citizens?
Let's let them
These are
kill
some
each
tall
other
buildings.
first.
You're telling me no one's home?
Nah, bro, they all evacuated. You wouldn't evacuate if you saw this?
But where? Those are the front.
Oh, that was him.
Oh,
Well,
blood loss.
TG.
いただきます
It's a strong ass tongue. It's a hard ass tongue.
Here
Yes.
we go. Is that?
the
Oh.
Yo, we love foxes.
Oh.
Nice.
Precise.
I was right.
He could have fucking ate him.
こいつは昼の悪魔だね飲み込んで
Oh, the Fox Devil's a girl?
よし
Not everyone's a guy.
Well, I didn't know its voice.
Nice.
Squad.
Yeah.
Oh,
Himeno.
snap.
Gang.
Late as hell.
Benny.
お前血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろう理由はわからないがお前はまた悪魔に肩入れしている
Yo, he'll look for any reason to fucking
さあ
kill Bow.
どうでしたかな
Is that how it
You
happened?
know, like fiends or devil.
娘がチェンソーの人に
The
直接お
chainsaw
会いしてい
guy.
ありがとう。悪魔に会社で食っちまうぞって言われて逃げたんですけど、
I like
よく
that.
見れば公安の服を着ていたし、お礼を言いたくて。
男の命だって知るかって俺の車を投げてチェンソーの頭に刺さってもらう
He got fans already.
俺がもっと詳しく調べて上に報告すれば
Start filling my
血
eyes.
の魔人
Just
それ
give
を
me
配
you
ってお
now.
前もしやるしな
Ow. He's got his hair down.
He does.
Hot guy, Jesus.
Hot guy.
The women eventually.
Are you women?
Aki? Sure, now I am. Look at him.
Yo, it's Mikasa.
Did you wake you up? Probably not, right?
You be sleeping in.
Why do I not be looking like that? Freaking not serious though.
He's the Aquafina. This dude's like
Look at
8
him.
years old.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. The
He's
head
my
thing.
type
Oh.
of man now.
Oh, snap. Bro, and he got the whole. Oh. Oh,
Oh, he's
my
got a
God.
drill.
Oh,
he
shit.
is mine kind of man. And he
Oh.
raised the knee to space. Oh
Sick,
my
bro.
god!
Woof,
Best
woof.
boy Aki.
This is what I.
Oh, he
Oh.
smacks them.
Best man Aki.
Lost me.
No, he's just like
Maybe.
yeah.
He does it outside though, so
Look at
he
him.
hasn't lost me yet.
He's,
Hey.
He's just waking up.
The kid's awake.
He made me yawn.
Then he's the type to just put on a shirt and go.
You're not gonna like watch this all day.
Oh, what the?
I could,
How it's
dude.
animated like
Yeah.
this, it looks so clean.
Just him, just
Yeah.
him in household
He and
chores.
his specialty, right?
They brought on the animator for this.
The
I'm saying.
Potato.
Oh, that's going on anime food
Yeah,
edits.
all this is going on in
Yeah.
edits.
これ
Ooh!
やり
What?
He's crawling.
What the heck?
Look at her, he got it.
Oh, with the rip.
Yo, this turned into a roommate comedy.
No. No.
It was the
Got
boys'
He's got
dream.
another kid to worry about.
Alright, nah.
Aki's gonna be a dad before you know it.
ばいやつばかり集めるんですか
Look, it's like the friend thing. It's fine with them two. It's quiet, peaceful. You throw a power, Denji won't shut up either. He does.
They're literally chasing each other now.
ずっとこっちに住まわせるのも変だしね
Would it though? I feel like she'd be fine at the office.
心配しなくてもパワーちゃんいい子にできるって
Yeah,
言ってた
Power
から
also said she'd be nice to
大
Denji.
丈夫だよ
She don't want that shit.
野菜は嫌いじゃんバイ
Oh, oh.
Save cat.
野菜を投げるなてめえ野菜作った農家に失礼って思わねえのかよ悪魔
He's winning some Aki points.
Yeah,
トイレ
it's true.
クソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ
流せせんだよ
裏は
Even
たまにし
Denji's
か
like
流さんは
reasonable.
じゃ
入れせんだよ
なんちゃうな
Cat.
人間は繊細じゃのうにゃーにゃーこ
His hair,
He's got the
his hair's
Yakuza
right
look.
in place.
He's losing.
Yeah.
And we're going back to the daily lifestyle of Aki.
も流せねえのか悪魔は野菜も残すし
Dang, how bad did she leave it that he's gone?
お前クソ悪魔
With the
てめ
breath.
えこそ
Ew.
こびりついて取れねえんだよ
Nice.
Oh, oh,
約
okay.
束だっただろ胸を揉ませてやるから揉め
Why is it
Oh,
Bounce.
oh, oh
Wait,
my
look at that.
god.
Denji froze.
Oh. Music? I feel like I'm gonna answer damn again.
俺どうした
Oh my god.
嬉しいじゃろ
Oh my god.
Yeah, yeah, fine animated.
He's about to. Oh,
He's
look at
about
his
to-
eyes. Look at his eyes. He's about to shut down.
Yeah.
Look at
Sakuga
him.
wasn't made for this.
じゃが条件は
Three.
胸を揉んでいいか
Oh, three squeezes. Oh my god.
He's gonna take the hose
ヤー
in.
コを助けたのが1問
One.
コウモリを殺したので2問そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので3問じゃ
Aki.
胸を揉ませるのは嘘だったんじゃなうぬの頑張りに報いての3問にありがたく揉むんじゃな
Is that actually gonna happen? Look at him. He's so funny.
Let's go.
There's only like 2 girls so
Jesus,
far.
Angel, she was fucking horse.
And the episode ends.
No way.
Oh.
Hey, that animator went off.
He did. He went crazy.
That's a
Every time you said that, y'all have been like, yeah, this episode was okay.
no. This is the best episode so far.
I said it about
Is
last
he?
episode. This episode, and My
Exactly.
Hero.
Shut the
episode.
fuck up.
Exactly. Well, the My Hero one.
This
Right?
episode was good.
You think
Throw
that,
some of the outro.
Huh?
It's Eve, right?
I can look it up
I
right
don't
now.
think it's Eve. I don't think it's Eve.
I'll look
It
it
doesn't sound like you.
because I have the list here.
Is it just Power's outro?
It'll say it.
bitch?
Fight song by Eve, more than likely.
Oh.
No way.
Sounds like him.
Chainsawman.
That's Eve.
Right? This is just a power outro. What the?
I'm digging it though. I like the art style.
So yeah, this is y'all's best girl. Here you go.
I really like the art style.
It's like
Match
full
4.
game.
Oh, I like this.
Sort of like the JJ Games.
They are killing it with the outro.
That's my favorite outro.
That was really
Bro,
good.
it's Power, like just
That was good.
Power squared.
Power squared, Power cubed.
That was so far okay.
Yeah,
so
best
far,
episode.
all the
You think-
episodes have been bangers except for the third one, which is just okay.
Yeah, there
I
was-
agree.
Yeah, I agree.
I wouldn't say it was horrible.
No,
It's just
It
out
just
of all
falls lower than the other three.
Yeah.
it was the Yeah, we talked about it. Go check out over there.
That's
yeah.
Hold on. Let me do a Jesus impression.
But-
Or an all of you impression. Y'all high as fuck.
It just does that?
No, y'all just high as fuck.
Like I said, the third episode, like we said, I'm not gonna go to episode 3. Pacing was really weird. The fight was kind of just, I feel like a rehash of
I like
episode
that
1's
fight better than the other
This,
one.
yeah,
This fight
this
was
is- yeah.
the best fight that we've
I
seen.
think it goes
And it wasn't even
4.
dingy like full power.
I will say the best thing about the fight in this one, it is the best fight, is that I don't think I saw any CG. Like, but the other ones you saw, it doesn't matter.
Chainsaw,
Well, yeah,
Well,
but like,
even the devil wasn't even that
yeah.
much CG.
Well, the
devil
devils
was
don't have that much CG
Yeah.
usually. The devils aren't the one being
'Cause
CG.
they get
It's
knocked
just
out.
Denji, which I don't mind the CG because it'd probably be really fucking hard to just 2D animate moving
Moving
chainsaws
things,
You could do it.
for frame
but it
on
would be,
frame
like,
on
insane.
frame.
For Mappa having 8 employees? Hell no.
Bro, they got too much to worry
Yeah,
about.
they've been working on this for 2 years. so.
I really like the scene with like just what's his name, Aki.
Aki.
Just like in his
Going
house.
through, yeah.
Yeah, that was like
This morning.
that was really nice.
I just wanna
well
see more of
animated, too.
4,
It's like-
2, 1, 3 for me. That's
All
mine.
of it's been really well animated, but like just going through your day,
The little
you know, that was
scenes.
really good.
I agree with that. 4, 2, 1, 3. Top to.
Yeah,
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 I
I
agree.
agree.
Oh, they got the
Yeah.
English dub out now.
Nice.
I bet.
Oh, probably just the first episode.
Was it it?
I can't find it. I think so.
Go to the Apple
Still
Music.
looking for it.
You know, you could also just do this. Hold on.
I think the song was okay.
I could do this. I could just say.
The visuals were like I
But
said.
the
they-
visuals are really good.
They were
It was
definitely
like
the outro.
A song S visuals.
RL4.
Tears.
Let's see.
I can say that.
That's fine.
So the A minus though.
I got
But
a
so far, I think
notification
there hasn't been
for
a
this.
miss.
It's been
Songs.
like it kind of like JJK's outro, like art style wise.
Yes.
Whenever they were going through their shit.
Oh, the
No,
dance?
it's not. It's not Eve. It's
But it was like-
Tubo. It said it up there at some
Yeah,
point.
okay, I thought that's...
It's like Tubo. It wasn't Eve.
Oh,
Like,
okay,
that-
cool.
it was just,
Tablet.
it's the guy sounded like him, but like the
Tablet.
style of songs was like
Eve.
Not
Eve,
Eve.
not Eve, not Eve.
Oh, not Eve?
Not
No,
Eve.
it was
The style
like
of song
crazy.
was not Eve.
I think
Eve
it was the other
songs
way
are all
around.
like
Other way
sophisticated.
around?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It sounded
Yes.
a little bit like him.
Death metal sophistication.
I don't even know who
No,
Eve
Eve.
is.
Eve is the first.
You said
the
all-
first
all
OP
the
from
songs.
Jujutsu Kaisen.
Oh, is that who does it?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah,
Eve.
hell yeah. No, wait, what?
He's gonna be here in one of these endings.
Yeah,
I think it's
he's,
gonna be at the very end. If
There-
he isn't
there's-
here now-
Think so?
there's
Yeah,
two other
it's
endings I'm
crazy.
excited
It's
for.
really
The people who did the Rumbling do one of them, and the person who does the first intro for Tokyo Ghoul does one of them.
So really big names.
really big names.
It's just that first one. That first one literally like they said, yeah, I guess we can't do this.
No, the first one was
first
the
one
first
got a
one's a
good
good
song.
song.
And
No,
it's a
I'm
good
just saying,
artist.
We just
it was
talked
like
over it.
credit.
Vondi is
Yeah.
good. Vondi's pretty good.
It was to do. It was to show the credit, so they don't have to do it for all the other ones.
That's
probably
a good
what it was.
point. Yeah.
Because I mean, obviously they just fucking went through
The
it.
second one was really good, but I think my favorite so far.
Visually, it was
You know,
like,
before it
shit.
was the third one. The third one's my favorite visual wise in terms of like emulating Chainsaw Man because it's just crazy and all over the fucking place. But I
Well,
like
it's
this one the
Power,
most just because it's Power.
Yes.
Power best girl. Power best character. Power
It's debatable.
best girl of 2022.
Power, power, power.
Yes. Yeah, it's-
Let's
Power.
know if Power is your best girl. I mean,
Yeah.
there's only been 4 episodes, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Like I said, I like the episode. It really, I think I like it how it's gonna set up the kind of like the trio. I think we're gonna get a lot of Power, Denji, and Aki.
In the house.
Yeah, so I thought that's I like the vibe. Like I say it's kind of like the usual vibe you get from like
The
the
tr-
shonen trio, but
All I gotta say
you know.
is, Power be shit.
Apparently.
Yeah,
He
also-
was
Power's like 10 years old, like
scrubbing.
mentally, dude. Power's stupid.
He was
like
Did you see the scrubber?
Six,
The
man.
scrubber was
Yeah.
brown as fuck.
exactly. I'm sure it wasn't brown when he
Brown
started.
core.
Definitely not.
And
I
then
feel
he
like
pointed it at her.
whenever he had
Power
said
doesn't care.
That Aki was probably gonna get growth, it's probably gonna happen. You know how that usually happens. You know, Meg, take me.
Yeah, I said he gets taller.
He's gonna end up becoming friends with them. He's gonna care about them. He's gonna save one.
He
of them
has
at
to
one
live
point.
with them.
I mean, technically, he just saved one of them already. But that's his job.
Save
though.
both of them.
Well, they all lied, so that's testament to like, the potential between the three.
True.
He lied
Did
because
you?
at this point because he wanted something, right? He was like, "Follow me," or something.
But it's still a lie.
Yeah, I can
He
agree.
still got their back. He still said that he wanted to kill her though. That fiends and
Yeah,
devils
the
are
little
still
power
bad
thing in
in
the
his eyes.
background.
Which he has a reason his family died.
I'm singing the
Yeah.
intro, I think.
But yeah, we hope y'all enjoyed. We're always enjoying. Well, it's been good. Like I said, that episode really brought it back for me. But like I said,
I don't hold these at high expectations, so they're all good to me.
If this is peak,
I'm fine with that.
Well, no, Peak's gonna be the next season of Chainsaw Man, but yeah. Still
We're
pretty
not
good.
getting
Oh,
that.
no.
They're running out of
then what is
funding.
JJK 2, season 2? What is that?
JJK 2, season 2. That's gonna be good.
What is above peak? God tier?
Yeah, SS tier.
The
Double
next
X.
season of
Let's
Jujutsu
just stay
Kaisen.
blue.
I don't know. Make sure you like.
Comment.
And subscribe.
Nice.
Whoa.
And we'll see y'all next time.
Giveaway coming soon.